Okay, thank you, Jerry, and good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to introduce you to maxgeo and talk about how maxgeo is driving innovation in the resource industry. So maxgeo was founded in 2001 with the focus of collecting quality geological data and making it more accessible to mining and exploration professionals. We work with our clients to improve efficiencies around data workflows, ultimately providing improved insights into the business. We have 270 clients around the globe. They range from junior explorers to the larger companies with multiple mining and exploration projects. Our clients are exploring or mining for a range of commodities, including gold, diamonds, lithium, base metals, PGEs, mineral sands, and rapidly gaining popularity in rare earth elements. Our offices are located around the world. Our headquarters are in Fremantle, here in Perth, and we have an office in Johannesburg, Vancouver, and London. We have a global team of 55. The team includes geologists, GIS and IT professionals, developers, software engineers, and data scientists. You may have heard of Datashed, our flagship product. Datashed is a data management application allowing for the consolidation of data across the complete life cycle of a project. It has a cloud-based user interface, providing transparency to data anywhere, anytime. Logchief is our digital data capture application, providing validation at the point of collection and direct integration of the data into your database. Lease control for the efficient management of data related to tenements and agreements. So typically, the investment in data management in comparison to exploring or mining budgets is extremely minimal. Looking after the most valuable asset of a company, the data, is sometimes considered a low priority. This is not surprising. Data by nature is extensive and ever evolving. Organising and analysing data coming in from various sources is time-consuming. Without accurate and efficient data collection, storage and analysis capacity, an organisation can make the wrong decision based on incomplete or incorrect data, or just get left behind in the race to find the next big deposit. Keeping continuous improvement in mind, it is interesting to consider the way we do our banking and access music. It is so different from what it was 15 years ago. However, industry professionals seem contented to operate data management processes around exploration programs the same as they did 15 years ago. I think slowly, as a whole, the industry is adhering to benefits that can result from the utilisation of data science in today's modern world. So what are we at maxgeo doing to overcome these issues? What are the problems? And how do we solve them? Data, data, data. When drilling is done on site, an astronomical amount of data is collected from various drilling companies, assay data, geological logging, and perhaps orientation and geophysical surveys, to name just a few. Collecting all the data associated with drilling and sampling campaigns can be daunting. The fact that data is flowing from different sources and equipment doesn't make the task any easier. Where does the data get stored? How is it integrated and analysed? Many things have changed in this space in recent years to improve efficiency and productivity within a team. Many data efficiencies have been introduced as a result of the automation of data integration generated by an exploration or mining company. What technology trends has maxgeo embraced to provide better and drilling and sampling data management solutions? Data platforms. Where is your database stored? Browser-based applications have provided increased transparency to geological data. Regardless of where the data is stored, it can be accessed from anywhere at any time. In this diagram, everything in blue indicates managed by the client, and orange indicates managed by maxgeo. Historically, the database has been stored and managed on the client's premise. Sometimes it is underestimated the cost of maintaining a server and IT services. More recently, cloud-based hosted solutions have been introduced. These enable companies to outsource the management of their geological data, yet retain transparency and self-service to the data. 2 hosted options are available, depending if you have an in-house database administrator or you'd like this component to be managed for you. Both options remove the requirement for in-house IT servers and backups. Automated processes such as assay, PXRF and plod loading can be set up easily in this hosted environment. AWS platforms provide security, IT infrastructure monitoring, backup storage and are easily scalable according to requirements. As a result of skill shortage and limited resource availability, cloud-based hosted data management has become an effective way to allow geologists to focus on geology rather than data manipulation. Hosting allows easy access to data management specialists. I haven't met too many geos that consider data and IT side of their job much fun. Good data management processes can improve employee satisfaction and reduce frustrations, potentially leading to staff retention. Attracting a millennial geologist to a company with outdated data practices may be difficult. Today we have a vast range of tools to assist with data integration. Traditional ways of loading data from third parties into a database are pressed to keep up with the volume and the rate of data generation. There are some new platforms to serve data such as APIs and Amazon's S3 bucket. Data from downhole survey companies or PXRF devices may stream via an API. Non-structured data such as core photography and geophysical surveys may be loaded into an AWS S3 bucket. And then there are also new formats that we get presented data such as JSON files, XML and the more traditional CSV and Excel spreadsheets. There are various data integration software options available that can be used to build integration workflows such as Microsoft Power Automate. Power Automate has been integral in assisting in breaking down traditional data silos. And then we have Datashed SQL database to securely store your data in a compliant, industry-standard format that allows for seamless reporting to government departments. Automation. There is a need to automate. Loading data, there should be no human interaction in this step. For example, Power Automate workflows have been used to enable the dynamic integration of company tenement boundaries from the Department of Mines on a daily basis. Automated alerts regarding monitored tenements can be issued. Assay batches are automatically loaded with customised QC policies. PXRF and plods can be retrieved from an email inbox and integrated into the database. Data validation. The engineering is in place to prevent invalid data from entering the database. Progressive audits are conducted. Reporting. A user should simply have to subscribe to the reports they wish to receive and have them delivered via email like clockwork. Visual analytics. The need to make data-driven decisions regarding your project is an everyday requirement. The ability to access dashboards and reports from your geological data management system is essential. Our recent development has been with Power BI and integrating it into the Datashed 5 platform. This speeds up the development of generic dashboards and reports and also provides the option to create bespoke solutions for clients. Monitoring assay quality control and drilling contract leakage becomes a simple, time-effective process and removes stress at the end of the month. All stakeholders in the business can have improved business insights 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So why do we need digital transformation? What are the benefits? Efficiency. Once set up, data transfer is fast and efficient. Self-service to data. Data is available for stakeholders of the business for real-time data analysis and decision-making. Employee satisfaction. Data management processes are efficient, therefore reducing frustrations. Drives innovation. Improving data workflows leads to the desire to introduce further efficiencies, encourages staff to think outside of the box, and reduce risk. Data transfer is secure and accurate, QC is automatically conducted, therefore increasing confidence in your project. So just in summary, there is a need to rethink how we manage the drilling and sampling data. We have many tools to assist us creating efficiencies. Create a culture of quality data in your organisation and give yourself a competitive advantage. Thanks for listening, and thanks to Vertical Events for the opportunity, and come and see us out on the booth if you want to add some automation into your drilling and sampling data management. Thank you.
Thank you, Lerelle.